All right, welcome to April 2020 on Spray Paint Art Secrets, and it is a weird month. If you're watching this from the future, this is when we had the coronavirus quarantine and everybody is at home, so I hope that I can contribute something fun to your stay-at-home time or something wonderful to whatever you're doing. I'm going to be teaching some very cool painting techniques this month, and the first one we're going to start with is painting a galaxy by improvising with squishy paints. And I'll show you how to create some beautiful things, whether you're creating them small or on big canvas or whatever you want, using spray paint art techniques, but you could use just about any paint you want as long as you have an air source. And then we're going to move on and do some fun landscape techniques. And these techniques depend mostly on something that I am calling the Italian landscape tool, because I have been watching Italian spray painters, and they use this really mysterious tool that I've been trying for years to figure out what it is, how they get such beautiful foliage with it, and it turned out to be something you can make with stuff in your house. So I made it, and wowie, it's very useful. We have a video in the resources section when you become a member of Spray Paint Art Secrets that you can watch on how to make this tool, and then you can go to these videos. I've got some great landscape work this month, and you can learn how to start putting that tool into operation to make some very cool, beautiful landscape stuff. But we're also going to do some science fiction. I've got videos from way back in the past, last year when I was filming with solvent-based paints. This year I have made the resolution to go completely water-based, but I still have a backlog of really cool stuff with solvents. So we've got a mixture, and we're going to work on a black and white space station, and I'll show you how to make technology with spray paint art techniques. And then we're going to go back to water-based landscape painting and paint this lovely meadow using some other tools, not the Italian landscape tool, but some other cool stuff like painting with poster board and painting with different kinds of sponges, and some secrets that you need to become a member to find out. And it's really super cheap to do. For like $27 you can get all of this stuff and lots more in the resources section, etc. So if you'd like to take advantage of this crazy quarantine period to become a painter fast, this is a good ticket to do so. And then we're going to do some galactic art. Always do enough galactic art to satisfy the space painter folks. This is water-based galactic art, and I'm going to be exploring some new techniques using stencils, decorative stencils to add detail to galaxy, among other things. If you are struggling because of losing salary in this coronavirus time and you want to learn, I am open to trades. I am open to charity. Shoot me an email and we'll see what we can do to get you going. We got to help each other in these crazy times. So much love to you. Enjoy your painting, enjoy your creativity, and I've got some fun stuff that you can play with. Any questions, comments, thoughts, ideas, shoot me an email. My name is Elisa Amor, and you can email me at spraypaintartsecrets@gmail.com. See you inside the membership area. Ciao.